In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a bank rule in Xero. Bank rules can save a lot of time when you're reconciling your bank transactions, but sometimes those rules become outdated, incorrect, or simply no longer needed. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to remove a bank rule safely, and what to keep in mind before you hit delete. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and that you have the right permissions to manage bank rules. From your Xero dashboard, look towards the top of the screen and find the main menu. Start by clicking on the Accounting tab. This is where Xero keeps most of the tools related to your day-to-day financial processing, including things like bank accounts, reports, and of course, bank rules. Once the accounting menu opens, look for the option labeled Bank Rules and click on it. This takes you to a screen listing all the bank rules that have been set up in your organization. You'll usually see them grouped by type, such as spend money rules, receive money rules, and transfer rules. Take a moment here to scan through the list and identify the specific rule you want to delete. It's a good idea to double check the name, description, or conditions of the rule so you're confident you're working with the right one. When you've found the bank rule you want to remove, look to the left of that rule for a small checkbox. Click on the checkbox to select that rule. If you accidentally select the wrong one, you can simply click the checkbox again to unselect it before moving on. Be careful at this stage, especially if you have several similar rules, because any selected rules may be affected by the next action. With the correct rule selected, move your attention towards the top or side of the list where you'll see an option labeled Delete. Go ahead and click on Delete. Xero will not immediately remove the rule without checking with you, so don't worry if you're still a little unsure. After you click Delete, a confirmation message or pop-up will appear asking you to confirm that you really want to delete the selected bank rule. This is your final chance to make sure you've chosen the correct one. If everything looks right, click Delete again to confirm. Xero will then remove that bank rule from your list and it will no longer be applied to future bank transactions. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a bank rule in Xero.